Hello WordPress people. So we made this app using NextJS for headless WordPress web app. So now it is time to push this to the server so that we can experience the live site. So this is not I'm going to make a live, but I'm gonna use a cloud server or platform we can say, where we can see our site online. So let's make this site online. This is currently on local host, but now we are going to push this site to live server. So for that, first of all, we have to push our Next.js app to the GitHub repo. So I have already created this GitHub repo for my Next.js app. So this is that, and another thing we will need is the server. So for that we can use Vercel.com, where we can deploy our Next.js app. So yeah, you can read about Vercel online, but I will just try to jump on the deploying part. So let's begin the deploying. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called wpvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So for that we have to click here, just start deploying over here, and then import Git repository. So I'm gonna continue with GitHub so that it aligns automatically. So here I already logged in with GitHub, and here it is also, so we are logged in as GitHub over here as well, and here we can search our repos. My repos are there, all my GitHub repos, and here is the repo we are looking for. So this is headless WP. So headless WP, let's click on import and keep everything as it is and just deploy it. It will take few minutes, so let's wait for build. So meanwhile, let's go ahead in our repo and let's see by making a build if everything works fine or not. So for that, let's run npm run build. So we are running this command over here. Same thing is happening over here on the Vercel. So let's see if we can generate a build or not. So everything what we see over here will, same thing is happening over here as well. Okay, we are having some issues. So we will check this later, but let's see if we have any issue over here or not. But yeah, this is the simple way to deploy your app. So I'm gonna go ahead and in my profile, and here where is our project? Should be, yeah, it should be there in the overview sections. It takes time. So our project is ready. Here we can see this is our production deployment, but we are having an error. So let's go to logs here. Let's see if we have any issue. Okay, I think this log is after deployment. So I'll go to this and click on this error and let's see what is happening. Yarn build exited with 1. It is saying error refused. Okay, yeah. So I missed one part here. So here, let's open the environment.local file, and during the project I created some constant, so I will copy this whole section from the environment.local and I will paste it over here. I will remove this secret for the security purpose, but now if you see, this is my local host URL, and if you remember that whenever we use production environment file, it should be your production site URL. So for that I'm gonna use my own blog site, so I will copy this URL, which is vercel.com. so I will remove this. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So now this file is ready and I'm gonna push this. So remember, I'm pushing this to the another branch and then I will merge this branch to the main branch. So whenever we push our changes into some another branch, at that time if we go to deployments, we refresh this. Sorry, not this. I will go to this main project again and I will go to deployments. So we can see the carbon copy of our main site. So this is not going to be your production site, but you can see what is going to happen with your latest push using different branch. As you can see, this environment is saying it is preview. So before pushing anything to the production site, we can actually see what is going to happen if we do these changes. So as you can see, build is successful, no error found, and our site is also ready. So if we click this, we see this error. So this is a different error, but our site is deployed successfully on the Vercel server. So this is safe. So now I will go ahead and merge this branch into the main branch. So I will go to pull request. I will create new pull request from main domain branch to main branch, and I will create this pull request. And I will merge this. So once we merge, let's go to the main repo. In the deployments, now it is building for the main branch, which is our production server, production deployment. Sorry, we will refresh this. So it is still building. Let's go to this and see the status. Okay, so here it says environment is production. So whatever we push in our main branch, it is going to be on the production server. So again, let's wait, and it is saying status is ready, and our site is ready. So again I will go to, let's go click on this. I'm gonna show you something. This will generate, okay, yeah, so this will generate a domain for our site. So this is the domain, headless wp peach vercel.app, and now when we click on this, our site is now started displaying online. So yeah, this is how we can push our NextJS app to the server. This is the error we are getting because I used NextAuth in my app, so we have to make some configuration for that on the server. But yeah, this is it to deploy your site to the Vercel. I will go to logs and I will see what is this error. So I'm getting this error, so something secret related error, so we have to do something with this, but I'm not going to fix this issue in this video. I will make another separate video for that. But yeah, this is how you can deploy your site to the Vercel. So yeah, if you have any doubt, question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.